Example 3. A man of mass 70 kg stands on a weighing scale in a lift which is moving, option A, upwards with uniform speed 10 meter per second, downward with uniform acceleration 5 meter per second square, upward with uniform acceleration 5 meter per second square. What would be the reading in each case? So we need to calculate what will be the weighing machine reading in each case if his actual mass is 70 kg. So let us do it. What would be the reading if the lift mechanism failed in it and hurled down freely under gravity? So we need to see 4 cases. Case 1, there was a man inside the lift whose mass is 70 kg, and if it is moving with a velocity or uniform speed 10 meter per second, then what will be his reading? So his weight will act downward mg and normal will act upward, and since it is a uniform motion, therefore there is no acceleration. That means the sum of forces acting on it is equal to 0. That means normal minus mg is equal to 0. Therefore normal is equal to mg. Therefore the mg is nothing but his actual weight, which is 70 into 10, 700 newtons. That means the reading of the weighing machine will be 70 kg. So his actual weight will be measured. In the second case, if the lift is moving downward with acceleration 5 meter per second square, then what will be the reading? So in this case, again his weight will act downward and normal will act upward. Since it is moving downward, he is also moving downward. Therefore downward force is greater than upward force. So mg minus normal is equal to mass times acceleration. This is what we have taken from Newton's second law. So from this, normal is equal to mg minus ma. Therefore m, if we take common, g is 10 minus a is 5. So m is 70 into 10 minus 5, which is 5. So normal will be equal to 70 into 5, which is 350 newtons. So divided by 10 will give us his mass, which is 35 kg. See, if lift is going downward with acceleration a, so the mass of the man, or the apparent mass of the man, is appears to be 35 kg. So why I divided with 10? Because we got the force. Since we want mass, we divided with acceleration due to gravity will give us the mass. And third case, lift is going upward with acceleration a. So man is there inside the lift and lift is going upward with acceleration a 5 meter per second square. Then what will be the reading? So of course his weight will act downward and normal will act upward. Since the lift is going upward, upward force is greater than downward force. That means normal minus mg is equal to ma. Therefore normal is equal to m of g plus a. So m is 70 and g is 10 plus 5, which is 15, which is equal to 1050 newtons. But we want to know what is his mass, so let us divide with 10. Therefore we'll get 105 kg. So if the man is moving upward, his apparent mass will be 105 kg. And the fourth case is if lift is moving downward freely. If mechanism of the lift failed, then what will happen? If lift is moving downward, even the man also moves downward with acceleration g, and here his own weight will act downward. If there is a normal here, then what we can write, mg minus normal is equal to mg. Therefore normal is equal to 0. Why I have taken mg here? Because acceleration here is g. It is free fall. So in this case normal is 0. That means his apparent weight will be 0.